Hey, Mike, so this customer hit you with, what time are you gonna be done?
Yeah. She says, oh, I gotta be somewhere at 11:30 and I need a ride home. So I was like, man, okay.
It's 10:15.
Yeah.
Did you know she had to be somewhere?
No, she told me just as I was dropping her off. I was like, okay, I'll do what I can do. Like just the outside wash. And then she asked how much it was. I gave her the price. She's like, for that little car? I said, yeah, that little car. This much.
Wait a minute. Let's take a step back because I feel like there's either some miscommunication or she just assumed something.
She must have just assumed.
Because her sister recommended her to you.
Yeah.
Because you did such a good job on her car.
Yeah.
Then she hit you up.
Mm-hmm.
And you work from home. So she dropped off the car and she didn't have a way to go back home.
Yep.
So you went the extra mile, Mike.
Yep.
Dropped her off, came back, and then she hit you with, I need my car by 11:30. You gotta go pick her up.
Yep. No, she has to be somewhere at 11:30.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
So you gotta finish sooner.
Yeah.
Good thing is the exterior, but on average, how long would this take you?
Maybe just over an hour, maybe.
Oh, so you're really crunching it.
Yeah.
All right, Mike, I'm gonna let you do your thing. All right, Mike, so what steps are you taking to clean the tire as quickly as possible? I see you using some iron remover or?
Yeah, just getting some of this brake dust off. She questioned about my price. She's like, well, I expect it to look good. Well, it's always gonna look good because, you know, just got a detailer washing it, not a drive-through.
Does that put pressure on you?
Not really, because, you know, when you go take it to a detailer, you should be doing a good job anyways. I mean,
but do you feel some detailers might take shortcuts to finish on time? Or you think you always gotta take your time and whatever happens, happens? It's a tough spot to be in, you know?
Yeah, it can be. It just comes with experience, I think, sometimes. I think some of the rookies can probably miss some things sometimes, but that just comes with experience over time. You'll get better at it.
So this customer was asking for a little bit extra something.
Yeah.
How do you let them down? You should tell them, I don't do that, or do you explain it to them?
I just explained to them what they were asking for is just something that not in my scope of work. They were asking for something that like a body shop would do. That's something that a detailer doesn't do.
What about other customers that ask, for example, hey, can you clean the headlights? Because I know that's extra.
Yeah.
Or like, hey, can you do this and that? Can you add some coating on the seats? And they don't realize that it's an extra service.
Yeah.
What do you tell them?
I just explained to him, you know, that does cost extra. And she was, you know, she did say something about when I was driving her home about some hair that was on the carpet. And I was like, you know, you asked for a wash and you're giving me a time frame. I'm not going to the inside of your car on a time frame. So I'm just washing it for the $70. And I have another car at 12 and you need to be somewhere at 11:30. So I just, you know, sometimes you just gotta be stern with them and just tell them, you know, this is what you asked for. Some people, they're gonna ask, you know, for everything and try to get it at the cheapest price possible, but you just gotta put your foot down and tell them, you know, things do cost, you know, it costs me money to do something and they need to pay for it.
Now, this customer specifically, you know, was questioning your prices, wanted stuff extra. Would you recommend like a clay bar, ceramic coating, or you feel like she's just gonna be a wash customer?
She's just gonna be, if she wasn't so questionable on getting everything for free, I probably would have recommended her a wash clay seal for a little extra. But she was, but she's on a time crunch. Wash clay seal would have taken a little bit longer. but she's just gonna get the wash for now.
All right, Mike, it's 10:55.
Just drying up. Got about, I don't know, 10 minutes left. I gotta go get her. I do the door jams, wrap it up, do some, I don't know. That's about it.
Are you gonna go pick her up, bring her here, or you gonna go drop off the car?
I'm gonna go pick her up and bring her here. If I go drop off the car, then I have no way home.
Dang, man, going that extra mile for your customers.
Yeah, well, that's how you get your 5-star reviews too. That's why I got so many. All right, so the car's done. She did rush me. I did get it knocked out in time for her. She did ask for a lot of extras, but you know, at the end, I gave her what she wanted. She was happy. And if you like watching detailing videos, how-to videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a like, comment down below what you would have done if you were rushed in this situation down below. Thanks for watching.